Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to convert your creator account back to your personal account in Facebook application. So let's get started. So at first we'll open a Facebook application. So this is the Facebook applications and this is the Facebook profile. So at first we just need to go to our Facebook icon. So click to your profile icon here. So once you have clicked to your profile icon, you just need to go to the right hand side where you'll find a three dot beside see dashboard. So click here, and now we have a number of different options. So here you can see an option called turn professional mode off. So simply click to the turn professional mode off, and now here it's saying turn professional mode off, and we'll click to the continue. So click to the continue, and then now it will ask for a turn off option. So finally click to this turn off option, and let's wait for some time until it changes to a personal account. So click to the close. Now let's move to back to the profile. Just let me refresh my account, and now let's click to our profile. So now look at here, our profile has been converted back to our personal account. So guys, in this way we can convert the creator account back to a personal account in Facebook applications. That's all for today. See you in next video. Thank you.